Yo, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy, man. What's going on? Hey, look, I want to talk to you a little bit about something, man. It's been a crazy week. We lost 3 riders, man. 3 riders within a week. Actually 2 riders, and one's still in critical condition, man. Y'all got to be very careful when y'all are out here riding, man. The first case I know was a 21-year-old guy. They're doing like a memorial ride for him tonight. He unfortunately was had a run from the police. Or actually, there was a guy who was running from the police. He had stolen a motorcycle or something, and he got hit and died. That was last week. And then a 21-year-old got hit. Supposedly was running from the police, and he got away from the police that was here in the city, and he tried to go over to the next city limit, and then he had stopped because there was heavy construction going on. He stopped, and then unfortunately a big dually came from behind and didn't see him, and smashed him from behind, and he died. The third guy who got seriously hurt happened yesterday morning. He was in shorts and a t-shirt, and he was out there at like 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning during rush hour traffic when everybody's trying to get to work, and he went down. So they had to take him over to the closest hospital, which is here on base, here at Fort Sam Houston. So, last I checked, he was in critical condition still, but it just sucks, man. It sucks that everybody's going down. There's so many people going down. We got to do better, man. And one thing that most, or if not all of those people had in common was they didn't have adequate gear on. You know what I'm saying? They didn't have adequate gear on. You got to have your gear. Whether it's, make sure you just got some gear on, man. Whether it's your gloves, whether it's your helmet, you definitely need a helmet, man. You gotta wear a lid, dude. And I know a lot of people that don't ride with helmets for various reasons. And it's just, to me, it just seems like there's really no good reason not to have something on your head at all times when you're riding. Yeah, man, it sucks. It absolutely sucks. So I just kind of wanted to get this message out there to tell you, riding is very fun. It's a very fun thing to do. It's a fun hobby. It's a fun sport for some people. But safety should be your number one concern when you're getting on these bikes, man. It's one thing to look cool. It's another thing to be safe. And especially a lot of you guys that make a lot of content, that are really popular with the content. We want to continue seeing videos, and we can only do that if you remain safe, right? So wear your gear and be a good promoter of good things, man, because it's bad out here, man. And I'm not saying that people should never ride in a t-shirt, they should never ride in a sweater or something like that. I'm not saying that. That's a choice you gotta make. But what I am saying is that if you're gonna have any gear on, at the very least, if you're operating a motorcycle, at least wear a helmet. You don't have to wear gloves, you don't have to wear whatever, leathers or whatever, but at least wear a helmet at the very least. Protect yourself, and so we can see more content, more fire content, man. That's what it's all about, man. It's about having fun, man, and being safe. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Like I so came, yeah. Now I'm back on my junkie. Pimp a few birds, but the girl said he loved me. Spend a couple G's on the Chevy.